What's up, Royals? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, this is the second part to this bean container gardening video. The first video I showed you how to plant these and put them on the trellis, and now this video is going to be how to fertilize them and how to top dress them, because we are already starting to get fruit. Look at this, we have some beans on here. I'm thinking I'm gonna need to pick these soon, but look how cool. This is amazing. Let me show you the other side. So this is how they look on the trellis. Isn't that so beautiful? And they just go all the way up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're going to top dress these with a granule fertilizer, which will be available to this plant in a month or so. And then we're going to go ahead and water this in with a soluble fertilizer, because it needs that nutrients right now so that it can produce more fruit. It is flowering. So we definitely want to get more beans on here. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take my fish emulsion, fish fertilizer. Just give it a good shake. And we're gonna put about 1 tablespoon of that into our watering can. I'm gonna fill this up to 1 gallon, and that should be enough. And we're gonna come over here and get our, this is Dr. Earth, and let me show you what you need to do with these two. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is take 1 handful of your granule fertilizer, about that much, and go ahead and sprinkle it over the top. And your plants are gonna love you for this, because they definitely need it. And then we're gonna go ahead and water her in with the soluble fish fertilizer. And this will be the watering for today, and it will also be the nutrients that it's gonna need to produce more fruit. All right, Royals, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope this was helpful. I would say do the soluble water every week and see how your plant does. So I think that I'm gonna end up harvesting these 3 beans, and the next video we'll come back and see if we have a bigger harvest, because when you harvest the bigger beans at the beginning, it gives your plant more energy to produce more beans, and you'll most likely get a bigger harvest. So just a good look again at how that's looking. You're doing well. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.